Disclaimer: this ebook has been written for information purpose only. Every effort has been made to make this ebook as complete and accurate as possible. However, there may be mistake in the typography of content. Also, this ebook provided information only up to the publishing date. Therefore, this ebook should be used as a guide or not as the ultimate source. The purpose of the ebook is to educate. The author and publisher does not warrant that information content in this ebook is full completed and shall not be responsible for any error or omissions. The author and publisher shall have neither liability nor responsibility to any person or entity with respect to any loss of or damage caused or alleged to be caused directly or indirectly by this ebook. Table of content. Introductory. 4. Chapter 1, Business Financing Made Simple. 6. Chapter 2, Business Funding Source. 7. Chapter 3, Business Opportunity for Start of Business. 9. Chapter 4, Business Opportunity Seeker. 11. Chapter 5, Everyday Accounting. 13. Chapter 6, Business Financing Made Simply. 16. Chapter 7, Understanding Accountant Vocabulary. 18. Chapter 8, Building a Strong Business Relationship. 20. Introductory. A business builder envisions what their business to become. The vision eventually become a plan based on analysis of personal and computational strength and weakness and marketplace and strategy of the way and mean to materialize the vision. Opportunities chasing the invitation to underachieve because time they spent looking for and trying out of their deal on the hoster trend interesting of a building business with strategy for cause and product line conjugate with personal value. Business growth and the customer base that drives it. While all these characteristics might be present in any opportunity analysis of how your time and money convert to the return or investment, raw may not be clear. With no other test but whether or not it can make some money as soon as possible. Opportunities chases the elusive get rich quick easy promotion. Although sales and network metrics building are important business assets, what opportunity tend to overlook are basic long-term strategy plan. Instant or chasing opportunity business builder tend to analyze and developing them. Business building, whether on or off the internet, require variety of skill that must be developed for any specialized but profitable segment of a market or niche. Therefore, one main difference between business building and opportunity chasing is how leverage is used. Opportunity seekers tend to choose offers that appear to be doable for their personal effort as part of team or network or affiliates, which begs the questions who is leveraging whose. Conversely, the business builder tend to select only product and service opportunities that support or scalable business, where personal time and arrow can be leveraged for profit. Network or matrix marketing is generated to out-tax work and down the lanes of the networking while the certainly generate or flow of money for product and service. Any really or prescribed long-term benefit participant may be significantly less than expected. In Theory raw complex many opportunity seeker to do the same thing as everyone else. In participate, they end up trying to do it longer, faster, and smart than everyone else with a net result. Diminishing return or lower raw and their expectations set by apparent underachievement. On the other hand, business builder outsource interest of the out task and quite simple. Continue to add value their time interest of having it fixed or described by metric limits. The measurable difference between outsourcing and outtasking is the whether you time pursuit and in increasing or decrease your return or investment. The 4H site was set up teach business building by involving participant as author in ebook project. In theory, R should produce win-win outcome. Unfortunately, in the practice is it different more often for opportunity chaser the business builder. Opportunity choosing the business building are both important to activate, but one without or other is like car without gas. A niche read but doesn't go very far. Chapter 1 Business Financing Made Simply. Do you have a new growing business? If you do, sooner or later you will need business financing. Of course, if you are like most business owner, your first inclination might buy the look and business loan. Unfortunately, business loan can be very hard to get. Take week to set off and don't fit too well with most business. You might be better off looking for alternative business financing product. I am going to discuss two alternative business finance product as opposed to the traditional business loan. They are easy to obtain, can be set off in day, and they grow as your business grows. Invoice factoring. If your biggest business financing challenge that you have client who take a long as a 60 day to pay their invoice, they can solution is to factor your invoice. Factoring your invoice, factoring as it often call it accelerate your client invoice payment to get you paid in about 2 days. Factoring does not involve changing your customers' payment habit but rather financing your so paying invoice through a factoring company. With factoring, you can capitalize on your invoice and get the fund you need to meet payroll and pay suppliers. Purchase order financing. If you are reseller or wholesaler and your biggest challenge is that you cannot afford to pay your suppliers, then purchase order financing is the best tools for you. Purchase order financing provide you with the necessary fund to pay your supply. You will buy a letter of credit. This enable you to buy goods to fulfill your order and make the sale. Both purchase order financing and invoice factoring can be obtained for factoring paying rather than bank. Both solutions are very affordable, but they work best when the business has profiting margin of 15% or more. Chapter 2 Business Funding Source. When you, when you decide to open a business, your one of often time of the excitement of the you really launched your idea right away. However, one thing that may be holding your back, you have several options in the beginning much needed capital to begin to implement your business idea. This article will include some idea you can use to find funding for your business and begin to make the capital you need to grow. So where you can you begin to find funding source for your business to gain capital? First place you should look at the support of your friend and family. Occasional, some people will get luck and be able to find lender within their family or friend or begin a business. You will want to be extremely careful, however, borrowing for a close friend or family can hurt your relationship with them if extreme care for repayment is not made. Another excellent avenue is to investigate any type of small business loan your government may offer. Many governments will offer new business owner loan for business startup or disaster assistance and training. Also, with the fast growing internet population, there has been websites that have been created that allow lender and borrower to come together in effort to starting off a business. Another idea is to seek out venture capital frames. There are two types of finance business that pool together all partners' resources and use their fund in effort to help a new business entrepreneur being their business. In addition, look into your home equity. This type of loan, typically called it a second mortgage, allow you to borrow money from your institution by using the equity content with your home as a form collateral. Lastly, credit card and angel investor are two other type of funding source you can investigate. Using your personal credit card can be very tempting funding source. This typically work if you have enough of a credit limit as well as the mean to pay it. With credit card, you will want to be extremely careful in using them for your business venture and make sure that you keep up with your minimum payment at least, otherwise you could end up hurting your credit and it is rating. Angel investor are typical retired executive owners which are specially there to help you start your business. Their angel investor typically can provide you can bring capital in excess of what your other funding source can. Generally, this loan can start at $20,000 all of the way up to around 2 million. Chapter 3, Business Opportunity for a Startup Business. Today, today retailing market is hot but filled with changing. To survive and prosper, industry new better product, reasonable wholesaler pricing are the main consideration which business owner keep in mind. Smart business buyer are considering themselves not only the what move product but also with what mover people. So expansional result of the your retail or wholesaler business area need inspiration the supplier, jewelers, wholesaler, distributor, delivery. The supply jewelry online wholesaler shop is one of today reliable only shop of new and unique jewelry gift merchandise. Supplyjewelries.com is not only the perfect wholesaler supply for well established retail wholesaler business but also an excellent purchase resource startup business home based venture web based action site eBay seller or mail order business field marketplace. Our low true wholesaler price enable you maximize your limit capital in the startup stage and gaining more profit while your business grow. The common carrier all kind of trend merchandise including fashion accessories, candle holder, arm, incense, burner, interior home decorator and cosmetic jewelry for starting your business. Once your business grow and you can afford more expensive merchandise. We also sell handmade gemstone, sterling silver jewelry, including charm, pendant, earrings, chains, bracelet, ring, and more. This is a perfect job opportunity to be your own boss. You have got your individual strength and passion to start your own business. Now you need to something to move your idea or business enterprise to the real world. With supply jewelry wholesale product, you can start your own jewelry business or gift tailor venture with thousands of unique design of jewelry and home garden decoration gift well. Wholesaler, jewelry director, distributor, delivery. Some of the best known jewelry and gift in the world for trend trailing silver jewelry, custom emission jewelry to fashion accessories and finishing touch for the home. Wholesale jewelry gift item, home decor and garden supply accessories are, are our specialty. Their low minimum requirement give you the great flexibility. The vast product line providing superb selection for your purchasing need. Unique and ever changing monthly new arrival assure you get the trendiest jewelry gift accessories available in the world market. Start making money at home fast, easy, new even free home based business opportunity. And small business idea are available on the internet. Anyone can easy work from home. For existing business owner, have you ever considered to expand your merchandise in your physical gift store? Don't wait, get into jewelry and fashion market which in the high demand in every corner in North America. The online wholesaler website supplyjewelry.com allow you to shop wholesaler for your business by using your creative sense in combining style and fashion with the thousands of necklace, bracelet, anklet, earring, rings, to ring, hair, accessories, keychain, and more. Chapter 4, Business Opportunity Seeker. Chapter 4, Business Opportunity Seeker. If you are involved in any type of multi-level network marketing program, home-based business, or other type of direct sales program, then you probably interested in building your business using business opportunity seeker. There are people who have expressed on interesting in a home-based business, extra income opportunity, multi-level marketing or entrepreneurship by singing up on or maybe website that match business opportunity seeker with the type of offering they are looking for. Some people may have no interest in having a business of their own and simply want to make extra money working for someone else. If this is the case, then maybe they just need to get a second job. Serious business builder or business opportunity seeker who want to be involved involved in their fact and be able to say what goes, not just what someone else tell them to do. There are number of lists provided on the internet that specialize in the gathering information of prospective business opportunity seeker by asking them to fill out a simple form about what type of money making venture they are looking for. The lead company that completes the information for sale to multi-level markets, MLM and other type of business who need fresh responsive lead, not just list that been circulated to thousands of people. Making call to these people will not be positive experience because they have already been bombarded with call from your competition. They don't want to hear what you have to say. On the contrary, actually seeking with true business opportunity. Seeker is the referencing experience because the person really want to list to you about what you have to offer. Lead company also sell per qualified lead that can greatly increase your efficiency and level of success. There are qualified business opportunity. Seeker have been contacted by the lead company to verify the type of opportunity they are looking for so that you can be matched as closely as possible for just the right fit. Business opportunity seeker or the consultant or MLM directly sells home-based business. It is not always possible to continue recruiting new people from your warm market only. At some point, all multi-level marketers must search of business builder outside of their group of family, friends, and co-worker to connect with those people who are just waiting to be found. Are you business opportunity seeker? Chapter 5 Every Accounting. Chapter 5 Everyday Accounting. If you consider striking out and starting a new business, you have probably been in visiting what you know as business opportunity. A business opportunity is usually a completed package that content or product or line of product and a marketing strategy for selling that product. Any business opportunity worth considering will either have a track record that you can vegetable and evaluate it will have to clear statement of the plan. The potential of the front of cost before investing any time or money in a specific business opportunity. There are something you should consider. Here are some of the more important ones. How long has the business opportunity been in business before investing time to and money? In marketing a business opportunity, it is important to determine how long that business opportunity has been operating. If it is a new concept that has not been proved in the marketplace, you have no assurance that it will even work. Does the company have fixed address and phone number? This may seem obvious to you, but fact is, thousands of companies operate with nothing more than website and an email address. Many of them are here today or gone tomorrow. Make sure the business you intended to deal with has fixed address, physical location, and established phone number. Does the business opportunity have some successful members you can talk to? Most business opportunity will show you testimonial, but they are often untrustworthy. Could even be completed to fabricate. Ask the owner of the business opportunity for name of really people you can talk to. Call them on the telephone and ask them to share their experience with the program. This will not only provide you with valuable first-hand information about the program, but it will give you a list of advice who may be happy to help you along the way. How much initial investment is required? In many cases, as a proven business opportunity with a successful track record will involve some kind of initial investment. This could involve an initial amount of product inventory, a program subscription free possible piece of equipment required to the product or finish the product. You should not assume that a business opportunity that is a free to join is better investment. Usually, a free to join business opportunity will involve other costs such as marketing and advertising free. Nobody give away opportunity for free. What you have to determine is whether a specific business opportunity have a successful track record, is managed by honest people and offer you realistic chance of actually making some money. There are things you must weight against the entry cost. What is the realistic income potential of the business? Have a careful look at the number and projection provided by the business opportunity. Then talk with actually members who are using the program to determine if they have been able to turn those numbers into reality. Are you the extra fees such of yearly or monthly subscription, free shopping cost or minimum purchase requirement? Make sure to get a detailed list of all the fee involved in the operating the new business. Their things may not seem significant now, but they can easily eat into your profit later. Who control the money? When you generate sales for business opportunity, what assurance do you have that you will get your share of the profit? This is the primary reason not to deal with fly by night outfit that have no track record. Again, the best way to get an accurate reading on this is to talk with people already using the program. Does the business opportunity supply marketing material and top person mentoring? Mentoring, one of the most difficult part of starting new business, is learning the ropes. It can be extremely helpful to have advisors who have first-hand experiences making the program work. The same goes for marketing material. You will have to enough to do without having to create brochures, ads, and new newsletter for your new business. How much control of your new business will you have? Be clear on how once the business and how control the way it is developed and marketed. You may want to diversify your product offering in order to avoid being at the mercy of head office. Remember that you are trying to create a business that has long-term value. This will involve considerable investment of time and energy on your part. You don't want your business to be completely depending on the stability and integrity of a single supplier. The ideal business opportunity is one of that is offered by the stable company with the proven track record. The business opportunity should require low initial investment and have high profit potential both in the short term and in the long term. It should allow you to build a profitable business of your own that will be source of income far into the future. Chapter 6, Business Financing Made Simple. Do you have a new growing business? If you do, sooner or later you will need business financing. Of course, if you are like most business owner, your first inclination might be to look for a business loan. Unfortunately, business loan can be very hard to get, take week to set up and don't fit too well with most business. You might be better off looking for alternative business financing product. I am going to discuss two alternative business financing product as opposite to the traditional business loan. They are easy to obtain, can be set up the day and they grow as your business grow. Invoice factoring. If your biggest business financing challenge is that you have clients who take as long as 60 days to pay their invoice, then the solution is to factor your invoice factoring or invoice factoring, as it is often called, accelerate your client invoice payment that get you paid in about 2 days. Factoring does not involve changing your customers' payment habit, but rather franchise financing your so paying invoice through a factory company. With factoring, you can capitalize on your invoice and get the fund you need to meet payroll and pay suppliers. Purchase order financing. If you are a retailer or wholesaler and your biggest challenge is that you cannot afford to pay your supplier, the purchase order financing is the best tool for you. Purchase order financing provide you with the necessary fund to pay your supplier. Usually by the letter credit, this enable you to buy the goods to fulfill your order and make the sale. Both purchase order financing and invoice factoring can be obtained from a factoring company rather than bank. Both solutions are very affordable, but they work best when the business has profit margin of 15% or more. So if you are one business that need financing, but be sure to look at this non-traditional business financing tool. Business loan and how to acquire it. Business loan can create to each very aspect to your business. The urgent requirement of fund your business can be created through a business loan. It is easy to seek a business loan nowadays. All you need to do to fill up to online application form, and your application form will reach the suitable lender. The lender may contact you by making thorough analysis of your application form. There are lenders in UK who can provide you with the business loan quickly and with great ease. Business loan are offered according to your need a business concern. A business loan can be available by the entrepreneur for various business requirements. It can be used for purposes like maintaining cash flow, establishing infrastructure, purchasing offer requirements, machinery, etc. Business loan can be sought of small, medium, and big business. If you are suffering from advice credit history, then also you can seek a loan. It can also be used to start a new business venture or in expanding your existing business. The business loan are flexible enough for loan repayment term depending upon the current revenue trend. A great advantage with a business loan is that you will get competitive interest rate and your loan would be proceed faster. The growing competition among the lender in UK will help you the getting a business loan cheaper. With a business loan, you can attain a unmanageable profit in your business. Business loan will help you to create to all your business need, which would be really throw off for your other resource. Chapter 7, Understanding Accounting Vocabulary. B might be in the electronic gaming area, but it is more like a fun game of Monopoly. This business for pleasure for sports franchise owners. The stakes are high, spending free, and visible varies. Fee. Despite the acceleration free on the entity game, personal franchise ownership hasn't been replaced by corporation of 1 to 121 big league professional sports franchise. Only 15 have found their way to incorporate hands. Most owners claim to be closing money, which could explain takeover silence of shareholder control company. It is nature think so owner don't want to sell because sports ownership is too much fun. A niche break from the normal business routine that bought them their wealth in the first place. What is this business worth? Unlike traditional industries, sports franchises drive their value from three ability to generate revenue. There are several reasons for this. Within legally, other owner are not to competition of operating expense or comparable one team to another. Revenues tend to move in relation to field performance, the size of the venues, and home market size. Sharing in the liquid nation broadcast right is equal cross and entry leagues. Depending upon the sport, estimated value very considerable, but within a given leagues and expect for a few expectation franchise value are fairly close grouped. NFL franchise are greatest in value topped by Washington Redskins, the first sport franchise in America to exceed 1 billion in the value. Football is so far ahead to other sports. Of the 33 top franchise, 32 are football. Only, only the Yankees interpret the steering. Still, the lowest value in NFL team, Arizona Cardinal, is a tied to half billion. Los Angeles Lakers, the jewelry of the NBA, is worth 500 million, putting them to brackets more or less similar to the Dodgers and mid of MLB. You could trade the top in NFL team to acquire the entire NBA. That work out to something like 7.6 billion. The first NHL team is well done. The list of 270 million of the Detroit, the Red Wing, what? That is still 15 million more than the Tiger. In fact, the 2 to 30 million range represented the most common price tag in sports. There is a good mix of 40 NHL, NBA, and MLB team all in the grouping. The truth is that anything sports franchise or otherwise is only worth what someone is willing to pay for it. The allure of sports team ownership is a true value. Chapter 8, Building a Strong Business Relationship. When it comes to business and sales, building a strong relationship is critical. The stronger your relationship is with your customer, the more likely they will be to refer your business. Every day, make an attempt to build on the relationship you have with your customer. Don't just say he as the walk in and goodbye as they leave. The last thing you want to do is make your customer feel like a statistic. Let them know that their business with your appreciated talk them streak of non-business conversation with them. It could involve just about anything such as the weather, sports, a movie, pets, etc. Non-business conversation put your customer at ease and get them talking the money to the more than open to you opening the door for more yields opportunity. Or you can keep it simple. For starter, get you know your customer by name, the address them by name. Say things such as how's it going today, or how was your weekend, or is it there anything I can help you the today. Make your presence you know and felt. Your customer want to be appreciate it. So take few minutes of your time to show that you can about the customer. Another way to strengthen your relationship with your customer is to keep a Rolodex handy with a list of all your customer birthdays, anniversaries, and special event. Keep your eye and ears or when customer talk about upcoming event in their life, such as children birthday and graduation. When the appropriate date approach, send your customer card, whether it is a holiday card, birthday card, graduation card, or a graduator card. Just need it. Your customer will appreciate the fact that you remember them another special day. This will only strengthen the relationship you already have with them. There are many reasons to build strong relationship with your customer, but two of your reasons remain to be key. One main reason is that customer valued and appreciate good customer service. They want the peace of mind knowing that if something ever happened with their product or service, that they would have to turn to their go-to person. This is extremely important because your customer will have this in mind when your competition move in to take them away. And believe me, your competition will try to take them away. As long as you provide excellent customer service, your customer will stick with you. There is no substitute for excellent customer service. Customer service is the most important thing to customer, even more important than fee. The second reason building relationship are so important is because of the referral process. A customer that is a threat and respect the provide excellent customer service will most assuredly refer family and friends to you. Why wouldn't they? You must important assist your customer so build and strengthen the foundation you have with them. By building strong relationship, you will be building yourself. Good luck. The article may be reproduced by anyone at any time as long as author name and reference link are kept intact at the active.